Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Hope you all had a good day yesterday. Quick channel update. I have modified one of the, words. Channel incentives. I have modified one of the incentives so it is now a general model swap. So if you want to see my Halloween model, that is what you want to pick. I will be happy to switch into it whenever. But, yeah. Today I'm going to be playing more Infinifactory. I'm probably going to get nerdsniped into optimization at some point. But, yeah, very excited. It should be fun and cool. So, without further ado, how about we get going? Alright. Yep, there. Puzzles. Okay. So. No. This works fine. I meant to do the one above it, but this is fine. Because I'll still be able to, hopefully. The chicken. Okay. Sure. Got it. Alright. Food pellets. Let me quickly just adjust stuff. There. Okay. Puzzles. Furnace studio apartment. Doing this first. So, what have I got here? Oh, big one, okay. Ooh. Alright, so it comes out like that, alright. Yeah. That's doable. Failure log.
Yes! It's working! This practically makes up for the whole alien abduction thing. What? What do you mean this isn't right? It's exactly the same! Look at it! It's identical! You stupid piece of crap! Uh-oh. That doesn't sound good.
Oh boy.
This would make a terrible video game.
God. Which way does everything come out, actually? Alright. Yeah. Alright. Got it. Okay. Let's get going, so... Ultimately, we're gonna get this in here, so if I just draw this out, how does that end up going? Is that out of alignment? No. Alright. Alright, so that starts in alignment. I'm just gonna say this, is gonna go... Yeah. Dude, that's just gonna, go as is, okay. I think it would actually be better to have, the assembly area a bit closer, so we'll draw this out further than, let's say, there, yeah. Yeah, that's a good place to do it, yeah. There? Just double checking. One more out, okay. Alright, so that's good. Yeah, so that is perfect, okay. Then... what else? So... just making sure, yeah, so that, alright, then... no. Oh, hello, Non! Great to see ya! Will that work? Just checking. Yes, okay. But there's a problem there, okay. Because if I put this there, then that goes like that, okay. Maybe if I... ooh, yeah, no, I, instead... should feed it like this. Here. Let's see. One more. That's not gonna be a good idea, is it? Ah! How's that? Alright. Getting there, getting there. Ah. Still like just figuring all this out, yeah. That needs to go a bit further out. Wait, no, ah! And here's where issues start arising. There's not... no, there barely is. Very barely. Alright, so that's correct. Like, just, I want to see where all this lands. Alright, yeah, I'm getting very close already, actually, so... how about that? Nope, does need to be go to the left at least once. One more. Okay. How about this? Nope, one more. Hello, Jude! Great to see ya! Then what comes in last? Yeah, no, that is... perfect. Yeah, that is, getting set up perfectly, yeah. My knowledge, yep, yeah. Alright, that means all I have to do now is just, weld it in place. So, ideas for that. So there, okay. Just want to see how that goes. Yeah, so this shouldn't get in the way of anything. Nope. Yeah, alright, so that'll line up perfectly to weld those three as they go through. And... here, okay. Then... let me see which one comes in last. They all kind of get there at the same time, or... the bed, okay. Got it, so... sensor... nope. And then we're gonna put a blocker on 7. Blocker 7, okay. Alright, so this will... nah. And with that in place, this will not work, but it almost will. Ah, I see the issue here. So what if, instead of putting those there... no, I'll still have them there for that, but then... where does that go? So where's the... here. Where's that gonna go, actually? Ah! Not well, not well! Huh. What am I gonna do about that? Since due to how I have this set up, it needs to, so like, it can't go here because that'd get in the way of that. It can't go here because it'd get in the way of that. Huh. Vertical welding won't do it. There's a catch here, by the way. Yes, there seems like there might be. Those parts, this and that, don't look the same. Yeah, like, those vents aren't there at all. Am I missing something? Yeah. These parts just don't look... They don't look quite right, but I'm not sure if that's the problem here. Yeah, like those get welded, but that doesn't, and I don't see a good way to push it forward. Unless... maybe if I... Okay, so... I see a possible way. This is going to be a mess, but... this... I don't think this should work. No. Wait, if I do this, though... Oh! This feels overwhelmingly ugly, but it works, so I am not gonna fucking complain. Holy shit. Oh! We're in the middle of the pack for foot. Actually, that was pretty cycle accurate. Wow. Alright. So what are we doing here? We've got a new part or something. Fans. Alright. Those go up. What do you got?
The bleeding's pretty bad.
Okay.
This is the end of the line. God, if you're there, I just want to say one.
Oh, this guy got crushed. Rough. Well, anyway, if you're hearing this, I'm already gone. Not gone like this guy. I mean, I've escaped. I've left these messages to encourage you. There is hope. There are others out there, and I'm going to find them. It all started one night when I saw a face in the monitor in my cell. It was there for just a fraction of a second before it disappeared into the noise. But I saw it, even though the aliens were jamming the signal. You see that structure on the asteroid over there? Looks kind of like an ancient temple. That's where I built my escape pod. I've got a radio transceiver stashed there too, and I've been saving food pellets. Good luck. Maybe I'll see you after this is all over.
Okay. Which asteroid? Because that sounds pretty important. I'm not sure if this is like actually like part of like this level or let me how far up do you go? Okay, that far. Alright, yeah. Alright. Like I can just do that. Perfect, yeah. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Now here's a fun idea. I have a sideways sensor here. Oh, thanks for the hydrant, Jude! And a posture check. And stretch! Oh. Ah, alright, so then what I can do is... Actually, what would be better is, instead of having this right up here... And you'll have a lifter here. Not super crucial yet, but just that happens. Sensor. Up. Let's see how this works. No, this sensor needs to be early, like that, there. That means instead of routing it under, I can route this over here. Wait, how many do you need? 1, 2... Shit, I'm not making this tall enough, am I? Ah, so instead this should be... Yeah. That should theoretically be it. Then, yeah, no. Now that that's there, that, there, and there. Yeah, that blocker's basically only there for the first one, but yeah, now I can... I built that at the wrong level, but... Two more, okay. Sensor. Boop. Boop. That's one too tall. That's the right level. Yes. All right. Pretty standard, nice. Lifter. Lifters are used to lift blocks a short distance upward. Like sensors, they make use of deleted particles, but bombard their targets with many orders of magnitude more to create substantial force. Alright.
Did you ever watch Star Voyager? Probably not. It ran for half a season on Fox before being unjustly cancelled. I started an online petition about it, but then I got abducted by aliens. Is that ironic? Anyway, this place reminds me of that episode in the asteroid field. I wonder if the aliens even keep an eye on me. As long as I'm alive and making their weird knickknacks and things, they don't care. I could be down here having a party. Do they even know what a party is?
So, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that's a 2x6 base. And 2 there and 4 there. Okay. Alright, yeah, so there's gonna be that. That's just like pretty much all of these are just gonna be pushed off. Just the important part is where they get pushed off to. So yeah. That is very loud, Jesus. So, how about, let's say you. Now you 3 can go up this way. And then go this way. Howdy, hey Zubs! Great to see ya! And I want to see how this goes. Ah. What causes that? Ah, that does. But just do that instead. Oh yeah, so there's the base, okay. And I need 2 on the left. And the 4 there, okay. Wait. No, 8, 9. Wait, no, shit, there's 12, not 10. Ah, alright, That should make this at least, yes, should make this bit at least a bit easier, but yeah. So now you can... Or, actually no, I should probably... Alright, you know, these last two, actually, yeah, I should not have deleted all that stuff earlier. Because these last two over here will need to go on as part of it later, so... That should still work, yeah. So that's all one unit now. Now, what I do with these two is have them roll across this way. I'm gonna do it here, and same pusher deal. Two pistons. Let me see how this goes. Alright. I think I want these to go down by one. Yeah, no, I don't. I'm gonna put that there. Yeah, alright. Issue. Never mind, yeah, this is going to go a bit downwards, so... pusher here. Yeah. Alright. Ah. Huh. That's difficult. Yeah, of course it would go past that wall. Because, like, it gets in, like, a good amount before those do. So it needs to trigger on those getting in, but I'm not sure how. I can't exactly, like... I would need to figure out how to speed this up. Could just... This feels redundant. What if, instead of doing whatever the hell that was... because I need them soldering right there. This is tough. I do have... I could do that. Then a rotator or something to get them in place. Yeah. No, I want the other rotator. Ooh. That. That feels like the right direction. I just need to do a bit more for it, so... No. Ah. Okay. That could work. Instead of having the blocker there, though, I have it. There. No, that just needs a holding thing. That comes to the same issue of what do I do from there? I think I'm gonna try one of the other ones right now just because that one's really not working with my head at the moment.
A lot of time to just think, being alone so much. I wondered about my job back on Earth. I was an industrial designer. I tested and designed paper towel dispensers mainly. I was just 4 months away from taking the licensing exam so I could be a professional paper towel dispenser designer. I don't even know what will come after this. Will I ever go home? Will I ever see my parents again? Or do something like watch Star Voyager? I can't think about all that now.
Push. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try this. Yeah, so. What I think would be best. So, sensor. Sensor here. And a blocker? Ah, right, that'll push it away. I could use that. I could use it pushing, let me... There, move that by 1. Oh yeah, that is getting put on properly, good. Oh, it's not being rotated though is the thing. Yeah, I guess the rotation is happening. Yeah. Ah! So then I can have two of them go over here. Two of them go over here. No, because they're getting welded, I only need one of these. Ah. Yeah. Ah. What is... Oh, you're turned the wrong way. Yeah, that works, okay. How about... okay. Actually, no, this should probably be further out, closer to the assembly area, so... There, and sensor, and... connector, that piston. Oh. Is it just not... Right, if there's blocks next to it, it can't rotate. Ah. Okay. Okay, yeah, I can cope with that. Oh, hello, Blue Cat. Great to see ya. This don't feel like a good location to it. Ah, you're not rotated correctly again. Also, forgot which way things were oriented, so... You're gonna need to, like... Actually, no. Yeah, that'll work. This doesn't need to come all the way out that far. No. Just a second. Sorry about that, thank you. There. Let me see if this is like gonna align everything properly. It should. Okay. That means you go here. Alright, so issue. I know how to deal with that. Doesn't need to be that extreme, but yeah. Moving it a bit closer towards, yeah. Alright. Now here's the question. Yeah, no, actually, I think I'm gonna pull it out one more. So there. Yeah. Which one of these arrives last, actually? You! Perfect, okay. That's actually really good for this, because then I can just up. I don't think that's the right direction, but we'll just double check. It is! Okay. And then... Ah. Right, it needs to be aligned properly, so what we're gonna do is alright. Yay! Alright. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh, not optimal. Yeah, that was pretty alright on cycles, but yeah. Alright, let's see. Okay. I could theoretically move on to the next one now, but I think I would like to at least give one of them a shot.
I miss having someone to talk to. Remember Floyd? Poor Floyd. I liked hearing his voice. It made it a little less lonely out here. And these goddamn aliens just left him to die.
Okay.
What a-holes. It sure isn't how I want to go. And that poor dog, too. I think it was a golden retriever. They're so sweet. How could they do that to a dog? See? Total a-holes.
Yeah, I'm not, I know what I could do here. Yeah, so... There. Oh no, nerd sniping. Hello, Polimnity! Good to see you! Which direction do you want? They matter. Does not look like they matter, lovely. Yeah, there's the tread. So that's how we get the treads done. Oh! I'll spend an immensely nerd sniper moves to solidarity. So what if instead of stairs I do a riser here? Infinifactory's like sandbox low threat automation game looks good. Yeah. I'm not actually sure if I'm like really feeling this puzzle right now. I don't know if like I've got the brain cycles to fully wrap my head around it, sadly. I will take a crack at it later, but I want to at least... Yeah, but just... Brain is not running... Yeah, brain has not been running at 100% capacity recently, and that makes puzzle games a lot more difficult.
Yes. Yes. It's working. Yes. Yes. Now, time to get out of... What?
Have to be moving in there.
Oh no. They're here. They came back. God damn it! I'm hit. I'm spinning. I can't stabilize. I'm gonna crash. Oh.
Oh, fuck. Ah. That. So there's those, okay. I've been absolutely drawn in by Timberborn. Ooh. Not sure what that is, actually. Don't know if I've heard of it. Just for reference. Alright, I will need at least a riser, it looks. Yeah. then... Yeah. Pretty easy. No, really, so far, yeah. Yep, alright. Jewelry access. There's parts of the design that are really rough. Now, Beast for City Builder, it's incredible. Has intricate water mechanics, and it's addicting for that, like, ADHD, hyper-focus sort of vibe. The automation games are so good and satisfying. Jewelry access. There's parts of the design that are still rough, needs work, but definitely really uncovered. Okay, I'll give it a look at some point. I'd like to settlement out, because I didn't protect the impact of a dam I built. Felt so amazing to be like, wow, the system is good, I'm not even mad about messing up. Nice! Yeah, games that do that are good, yeah. Definitely a skill, like, yeah, definitely something very helpful to have. Right. The thing is, I found myself quickly thinking like a beaver, just the game's focus on regular droughts, and then the hydroengineering to withstand them is somatic and sublime design. Ooh. Nice. Alright, yeah. Alright, so I've got the cannon being built, I've got... Alright, then... No, not that. And... I can do that, okay. If I put a sensor here... Ah, that's alright. This is on the right pace, which is, yeah, this is on the right track, definitely, so I just need to get everything properly, like, positioned. there. Down sensor, okay. Oh yeah, you need to go up there as well. Alright. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Then let's do a couple lifters, so there and there. Or actually, no, oh, they're already, like, these feel like they're pretty much already, yeah, like, lined up, so... that's a challenge, so... No, I can just make you... Oh, then I have blocks there. Ah. I'm getting closer, so... Alright, so it's time for a blocker somewhere, so let's see. Like this, if I do this, then... Oh, you're the wrong type of sensor, okay, so... Ah. Oh! This needs to lift. Okay, so that's a thing, alright. That should help it a bit, so... Just the fact that it needs to go up by one... Alright, so... Where do you... Alright. Ah. Do that, okay. How about that? There. Yeah? Almost. Now I just need the blocker thing, okay, so... Nope. Up. Wait, it can't be there, Let me just... Ah, no. Gotta hit T, okay. It would be better to have it come in from the other side, yeah. I can do that, yeah. Not gonna be great, but... Okay. Then... Yeah? No. That was the wrong position. Wait, no. Right, so there? That does it! Yeah. Then I need one more lifter. Yeah? Yeah. No. Shit! No! No. This is wrong. This isn't right. Like, just let me show why. Yeah, it should be mounting. Alright, yeah. I know it should be mounting, at least. Alright, beep. 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 And then that also means that this needs to move over by 1. Lifter goes here, then pull it up, up. And then that needs to move over by 1, 2. One more. That's right there. Perfect. No. Perfect, yeah. Alright. Yay! Alright, yeah. That's all these done. 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty middle of the pack, okay. Let's do that performance review now. I can come back to those other puzzles later. Right. Oh boy. There's a pallet. No, 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 no. All right. Onward we go. Ooh. Very pretty. Don't have any new stuff. Any failure logs around? Looks like there should be. But it doesn't look like there are. Unless there's like something very crucially missing, but... This is a processing thing. Oh. Okay. So this, or... Oh boy! Huh. Yeah, that's definitely, I don't know how I feel about doing this one, honestly. Just that feels, They're all like this, aren't they? This one is not okay, but I do need to complete all of them to continue is the issue. Okay, so we've got like a tree chopping thing here, it looks. Ah, alright, so, Huh. I was definitely trying to fly up. I was! I am not sure I am feeling this, which, I might switch to something else, not sure, yeah. Yeah, this is not, sadly, not just feeling, this just isn't really feeling super fun to me tonight. I don't know. Yeah. So, I think I might switch to something else. That feels good for you, yeah. Let me just look stuff over quick. Yeah, looking for, yeah, like just looking through stuff I've got, I think instead, I think I'm gonna do a bit of, like, programming tonight instead, I think, yeah. I have been working on, some stuff with GBS Toolkit in the back of my folder heart, yeah, so... Let me switch some stuff up. Yeah, then... Yeah, let me pull up... Where is it? Utilities... Nah. There. Yeah, then I'm just gonna, like, mention in... Do a bit of work on GBS Toolkit because I'm just not really feeling Infinifactory tonight. There, and then, let me put that on Twitter too. Put that on. Then, I'm going to quickly grab one more thing before we start on this. Give me just a second. And I'm back. Since I'm, like, working on this stuff again, I'm gonna flick off the modulator just because I don't usually use the modulator on nights where I'm doing this. Let me make sure I've got the most recent version. GBS Toolkit, because I have been doing some stuff. Oh! Alright. There, yeah, so I've started doing a few things that are pretty big, yeah, pretty important just for, like, Yeah, words. Yeah, I've started doing a few things that are kind of important for just, like, making this all, like, updatable and everything. So, like, this just giant command god file is going away. Just, it is too big, too complex, not super helpful, so I've just started splitting things up into separate ones. On top of that, I have gotten, like, main and everything set up, so, like, I'm instead gonna be, like, yeah, so, like, just I'm setting it up so it's actually, like, runnable and everything. Anyway. So, stuff I've done, so yeah, I'm gonna fill out some more of the engine parts tonight. Let me get that up. So github.com/studio, YouTube beta, lib events. So last thing I did was, I believe, the overlay ones? Yeah, I need to do palette set background. Yeah. So did those. Let me pull up GB Studio for reference. Actually, no, Adam. So, class palette set, class palette set background command. So, event palette set background is the name, okay. Event palette set background. Set background palette. How does this work? Okay. Got it? Okay. Alright, so it looks like it will always have all 6. Okay. So what's this thing like? Kinda got this piece of shit working, only got audio. Let me know if someone threw this thing shitty past. It has not gone through yet. It's good to see you though, Kenny. Hope you're doing alright. Palette 1, palette ID, palette 2, palette ID, palette 3, palette ID, palette 4, palette ID, and palette 5, palette ID. Oh, there it is.
I didn't know what to write here.
Kenny, thank you very much for subscribing at Tier 1 for the 8th month. Yeah, welcome back to LMOS. them. Args. Yeah, no, this will need to be args, palette, oh. Or yeah, no, name, util, palette for ID. If args, palette, oh, not equals blank string, else blank string. That is. Oh no. Names, not name util. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. I can see you. Hello there. Hello. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Yeah. Ingenious. Palette. Oh. Data. Yeah, for names, ID for palette, args, data args, oh, if data args, oh, not equals empty string, else empty string. Alright. Yeah, I can just 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Oh, I could also, names, palette, for ID, args, I, palette, cluster, I, no, brackets, not parens. Not insert mode. Or I in range 6. If Kenny! 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 What the fuck? Thank you for the 25 tier 1 gift subs to Jasper Zev, Lucille T, Zubs87, Behold Dr. B's PHP, Acton Shakespeare, Jude Crowbite, Nikki Resoul, Samantha Amaranth, Mocha Starduff, Xerxes, it's Amata Ramisu, Allison Hive, Wanamiko Nile, Flair Molfro, Celadoncha, Xenophos, Hazel Drug, Fairly Social, Cinemax, Internet Worm, Gamma the Robot, Kakushi, Milka, Kaido Nasa, and Blue Cat. 25 gift subs! Doesn't sign you up to pay going forward, just gift for 1 month, yeah. I just got gifted 25 gift subs. What's a sub, yeah. Oh, I misread that a bit. What the Thank you. You don't see ads on the channel, you get channel emotes, yeah. You get boosted channel points, stuff like that. Yeah, thank you so much, Kenny. Oh my god. Yeah, oh my god, y'all. Thank you so much. Cards. Palette. Buster. I. Not equals. Blank else blank. Totally going to misuse this power. Oh, go ahead and misuse it, but yeah. How are you doing, by the way? I'm doing a lot better now, certainly. This comp doesn't work. So, now return node data, order dict. Yeah. Yeah, Okay. So, are we done? Nope. Alright, so that's Stella's. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Still got a little while to go. Yeah, let me, so then, I'm gonna comment you out, and yeah, thank you so much, Kenny. Kept around in case this dict doesn't work. Turn. Palette. Names ID for palette data args I. Oh yeah, this should be stir. That should be brackets. Ooh, Wops, thank you, Kenny. If data args I not equals quote else quote for I in range 6. And Jinyu, thank you very much for the host. Wop. So that's I love dict and list comprehensions in, like, they are honestly one of my favorite things in Python. Is just it's just really cool how, yeah, with this in Infinifactory, yeah, hi, I wasn't super feeling Infinifactory, been in like a bit of a funk today, yeah, so I switched over to just working on some programming stuff. I did like put an announcement on my Twitter channel and everything, but yeah, Okay, sounds good, yeah. Oops. Everything alright? Thank you for the gifted stuff whoever gave it to me. Yeah, hi Jasper! Kenny dropped, 25 gift subs? So, yeah. That's background palette done. Right, so set UI palette. And class palette set UI command and I can yeah, this is a pretty basic one, so yeah. So palette set UI palette then palette ID palette ID then alright, so default value is empty, okay. So that does mean that empty strings are allowed, so names, palette for ID, args palette, if args palette not equals blank else blank. Alright. Palette data, yeah, names, ID for palette data, args O, if data args O not equals blank else blank. Alright. Next. Alright, so player stuff. Yeah, you're like, Kenny, you've been waiting for a while, yeah. Mostly did it knock Jude out of first place, yeah. Yeah, just fucking right, yeah. Didn't realize to post about it, yeah. Let's see y'all later, back to Nikki's room. Yeah, see you, Jasper. Okay. Then I'm gonna do, a couple more, yeah, so next ones up are player bounce and player set sprite, so class yeah, player bounce a man unresolved reference. I'm an actor.py, not command actor.py. Last player bounce command. Then player bounce height stir do enum and args height then height data args O. Oh, Cinemax, hello, thank you very much for the raid. Yeah, for y'all joining, yeah, just joining in. I'm Lemma. I'm a chubby trans robot VTuber who both makes and plays games on stream. Sloth Raid, yeah, Ooh, AI Dungeon. Hope you are having fun. Yeah, yeah, for y'all joining in for the first time, I would love if you drop me a follow. Yeah, thank you very much for coming on over. How's AI Dungeon? There's that. Right, okay. So, class, player set, sprite, command, and I want just these, okay. Yeah, it was insane. Ooh, yeah. That sprite, that player sprite. Okay, then. Right, ID, UID, names, sprite for ID, args, sprite sheet ID. We pushed Dracula down some stairs, then kicked Lucifer and his brother out of my house, and then battled Pinhead. Yeah, fun. And, oh yeah, what was the name for it? Persist. This is a bool. Persist. Oh, yeah. Oh, Parnash, thank you very much for the follow. Welcome to the network. Persist. Hard. Persist. And let me quickly check oh yeah, so it looks like persist is always there, which means I can just write sheet ID, names ID for sprite, data args O, then persist, data props persist. All right, pretty easy. Whop. Yeah, Cinemax, welcome to LMOS. Kenny draw, yeah, like, I'm pretty sure, yeah, I saw you in, like, that list of, yeah, congratulations, Kenny dropped a ton of gift subs, so you've got one now, welcome. Okay, so, player set sprite. Whops, thank you. Alright, so a few scene ones, okay. So, new class. Or new file. So, new file. Command scene pi. What do I need for here? So, from collections, import order dict. From typing import dict union. Might need more. Then what else? Yeah, from import UUID. Right. What else? Then from command base import command. From data types. What do we need? Yeah. Actually, I don't know if we'll need any for the scene stuff. Okay. We will need JSON safe. Yeah, so from marshalling import JSON safe. Then from util import node data. Yeah, name util node data. Right, yeah. Whops, thank you, Cinemax. And more from Jinyu. Many bwops. Class. Scene. All state command. Let me just see what, yeah, like. Yeah, this is, oh yeah, I think I know what these match up to, yeah. Scene, pop, all state. Top, bottom, scene. Right then. Fade speed. And alright. What do you I'm gonna have to do a lot of documentation on this. So default is that it's weird, yeah. And backside kill can I walked on deck? Yeah, that's why is it so fade speed and args fade speed them fade speed stir data arg for props fade speed. And I'm guessing it's the same stuff with just one. Yep. Yeah. Ha. Heck, sorry. Lieutenant walked on deck. Ha. Okay, so then push. Which doesn't actually have any args, so Alright. Feeling really phlegmy tonight. And same thing for clear scene stack. So, event scene reset state, okay? Why is... There. Scene stack, right? Then change scene. Okay, so next is switch scene. So this is switch scene, yeah. Which change scene. Scene ID, UUID, X, int, Y, int, direction, means I can, from enums import direction. Then fade speed int. Direction args direction. Actually no, props equals ordered dict. Then if args direction not equals Lemma, what are your thoughts on the new Blazeball betting system? Ooh, yeah, it's honestly really interesting. I think it is, yeah, I'm still like kind of feeling it out, but yeah. Yeah, like, I think it is, like, there's some stuff that seems very nice, like being able to bet in advance, being able to, like, see what outcome, like, just being able to, like, see, like, how you, like, all your current bet outcomes, stuff like that. Some really cool stuff. Yeah, I also like the idea of the compound bets for high risk, high reward, instead of, like, the betting, like, booster stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I think it is a really interesting thing to do now that coins don't exist, because we killed the god of capitalism. Checking it, it looks like direction is always a field, just sometimes it is an empty string. Got it. Rest in garbage coin, yeah. Heck yeah, I can't wait to do nothing but hubris bets. Right, so props direction equals args direction. Then props stage speed equals args stage speed. And props. Oh yeah, no, actually, props x equals args x. Props y equals args y. Yeah, so xy direction fade speed reverse. Yeah, then names scene for ID args scene ID. Then scene ID names ID for scene data args O X data props X Y data props Y direction data props direction if direction in props else and fade speed data prop fade speed. All right, so that's that one. All right, that I think is all. Yep. Alright, so that's all the scene ones. Alright, then over to flow control, or no, a couple things. So, script stop. Yeah, that'll go in MISC. Yeah. Last script stop command. Script stop. Stop. There. Stop script. Yeah. Or no, event just event stop. All right. Up. And sound effect, okay. Class sound play effect command. Ah, I copied the whole thing, not just the methods. Shift tab. There and there. Then sound play effect. Oh boy. Oh, this is a fun one. So I'm definitely gonna make an enum for this. Let me just do that quick. Class sound effect type serializable enum beep equals beep, and tone equals tone crash, or no, crash equals crash, def deserialize, def deserialize obscure to sound effect type, return sound effect type obj. Starting to get out, so I'm lying down, take care. Let me see ya, Cinemax. Type sound effect type. Duration, int, wait, cool. Now here's the fun thing is there's pitch and frequency. Now, here's where the fun stuff happens. Ah. So props was ordered predict args type then duration, yeah, args duration, if args type equals beep, props lemon stream is where the fun stuff happens. Yeah, alright, so then beep is for pitch equals args pitch, elif args type equals tone, props tone equals args tone, then args wait equals, or no, props wait equals args wait, type equals data args o, if or yeah, no, ret equals but or yeah, type args type data dot duration data args duration, or no, that's own one. So actually no, duration comes after. So if ret type equals beep, ret pitch equals data props pitch, if ret elif ret type equals tone ret frequency, not UI, equals data props frequency. Have fun here in the Llama stream. Ret duration equals data args1. Ret weight equals data props weight. There. Then and now a couple more I'm gonna put in command actor, just because they're like actor related. Class. Sprites hide command, yeah. Sprites hide command and sprites hide sprites. Or no, I'll do hide all. Yep. Then show all. Class sprites show command sprites show all. And oh fucking boy, it's time for oh boy. Switch syntax time. Switch cases suck. And they're almost definitely gonna mean I have to rethink how I do stuff, so let me these suck real hard, and I'm gonna have to figure out what to do. So Chew exists! Welcome, welcome, and Python is the most confusing of them. Oh, no. I mean, yeah, I mean, Python doesn't really have switch statements. It just has, like, big ifs-elifs and structural pattern matching, but I mean, let me pull up what I mean. Chew exists, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the network. Let me just pull up Adam to show what I mean. So I'm making something to transform stuff from a giant JSON file for GBS Studio into something actually like human readable and writable. The switch statement sucks. Ugh. So you can have up to 16. You can have up to 16 branches plus a default. And oh, it's a lot. It's just so you've got all these which are like what actually like define what numeric value it's gonna balance on. Yeah, and then you've got like all the then you've got the list of like children branches. That's an ungodly amount of JSON here. Yeah, this is not the bottom of the file. This JSON file is 34,000 lines long and getting longer. That's why I'm making something actually humanly usable. Has your editor not crashed? Adam is surprisingly good at just handling this. Yeah, like, editors have gotten a lot better in, like, the past few years. It is just entirely too much JSON. And I need to figure out how the hell I'm gonna deal with it. So it's time to do a bit of fucking refactoring, so let me impress. I think VS Code would shit itself if I presented with that file, yeah. So no, this actually goes in an event, doesn't it? Thank you for the hydrate, Kenny. Hydrate or dihydrate. So yep. What's that JSON file for? Model definitions or something? That I wish. This is what that is defining. That JSON file, it is not defining the, like, sprites. Those are done with, like, actual, like, PNGs and everything. But that one JSON file is, like, defining everything, yeah, pretty much everything else for a full game for the Game Boy Color. Like, just, it is, like, it's defining, like, where everything is in the editor. It's defining where the editor is looking at. It is defining, like, what, like, all the sprites in the scene, what happens when you interact with them. Do you mind if I put you into neuroblender.com? Go ahead. Yeah, I do not think GB C code would be that chaotic. This is a codeless editor for making GBC projects. Ah, it is wild. Oh, it is just so much. Ah. Yeah, it is just so much. And I have to cope with it. Now let me pull up PyCharm and add them again. Alright. What now? Takes about 5 minutes. I'll post in your server what this AI thinks that AI thinks you look like. Oh boy. Alright. How the fuck am I gonna do this? So... how about children names? Args, object, based on safe. Right then. Oh, because I did that in man.py, not .py. All right. Your model's damping might be a little low. The mouth keeps moving randomly. Oh, no, that is, actually just, I'm using an iPhone for, like, face tracking. My mouth just moves a lot. Like, that was me yawning and such. God ask how you're doing tonight. I am doing up and down. Ah. Yeah. I like doing alright. Yeah. Let me go back to Ben. Actually, no, there. Oh, shit, that's not actually gonna work, is it? I got it, gun. Problems of avatars, normal things looking kind of weird sometimes. Yeah. Ah. The one I use sometimes freaks out when you try to drink water. Yeah. Wasn't sure where to put it, so I put it in general. All right. Wow, that sure is LMAOF. Ah, okay, so what the Ah. I have an idea. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do so, class switch and switch. Deaf children. True. And this gets the same comment as here. Ah. Right. Okay. This is gonna be fun. Ah. All right. Death. Looks like the stream's crashing for me. Getting heading to bed. Gotta get up before night. All good luck, Kenny. Dexter, Jason, safe. Piano, class. Map, or children names. Args, optional. Dexter, Jason, safe. Old names. Ah. Lists are to. Yep, I've got list in here, okay. Then this is gonna be a list map or node data. Or no, dict, not map. Okay. Ah. Yeah. For I in rain. Change 16. Or actually, so are in range for I in range args choices friend not bracket Okay, so all right. No data. What do you? That's gonna be. Which means need to import tuple. Why am I in built-ins? So, value args value plus stir I. And app goes args lat case cluster I okay. And let me, so it's under disable else? disable else, yeah. Ret equals, but I'm just gonna throw ret down there. And do this a up erasing things from the JSON. Search the ASAP. Them. Yeah. Next. Yeah, I'll do this. Do fill out later. This is gonna be hell. I'm actually still not sure if required args is really all that helpful. I might just end up getting rid of it. So right then. Valiant collapse. Alright, yeah, so then after this I'm gonna just do ret true plus I equals case no data order predict lapse value. Oh, no. Oh, I forgot friends. There. Gotta work on some stuff. Thanks, someone. Props gonna kinda yeah. See you around. Sure, if not, args disable else. Oh, yeah, no, was ordered dict lapse false true if lapse else dict. Basically, I only want to have the props in there if it's actually, like, yeah, if the collapse is happening, so. And ret false equals default node data props. Nope. There. I'm gonna put this may end up being hidden content from the JSON. Then def parse children names. Oh, def method. Data no data to map no dict list node. There. For I in data children. If yeah, for I in data children. If I name equals case dict true plus dir index in a data children in I equals I nodes or no ret equals and turn ret elif else ret false equals I nodes. All right, so that should be that. Then this, yeah, for the format, luckily all I need to do is so plus args variable plus dollar. There, so that's all the format because they just do all the, yeah, that gets handled by children of it. For parse, oh boy! Ret equals or no. Variable data args O then 1 to -1 because of the dollar signs. And this returns ret at the end. Then fun things happen. As actually L if I name equals default, because default can end up not being in there. As default equals false for I in data children. If I name equals case, index equals I args O, collapse equals I props collapse. And choices equals O. Plus. Hey. Then ret value plus integer index equals no data children index I value equals I args O. Ret collapse case under yeah, plus index equals I props collapse if collapse in I props else false. And elif I name equals default. Yeah, actually no, I still need has default. Name equals default. Has default equals true. Then ret collapse or else equals I props collapse if collapse in I props else false. Ret disable else equals not has default. All right. Yeah, oh, also, ret, choices. Ret choices equals choices. Alright. That should be the stuff to do it on the switches side. Let's see how this fares in... Yeah, now I just need to plug this into a vent. Yeah, I'm gonna say command_new. Also, yeah, you should... from CMD scene import star... actor, camera, engine, flow control, misc, scene, text, good. Also, switch and... Ah. Right then. How about if self is in self and switch command file names equals self children. Actually, no. Children names equals switch command dot format children names self args children data, yeah. Then, for my children names, yeah. For KV in children data to items. Then no children append. Okay, you know, node equals, you know, children list equals, equals I dot format names for I in self children K. Yeah. Ah, indent you, okay. Then node equals node the O name equals the O props equals v1 dot props args equals v1 dot args nodes equals children list node children append node. Yeah. That should hopefully work. Ah. Okay. This is a mess. Children names. Or, to do, special case or group and loop, only one child ever. Alright, then, do if is instance command switch command and that's parse children names, yeah. I may. Yeah. Children will soon child nodes equals switch and parse children names node data node props node args node nodes. And that. So children equals hey. And parse my name's progress for INV for AV in child nodes. There. That should be it, yeah? Hopefully. All right. I'm also just gonna put that in there, but yeah. I think I've got the switch command running well, but I am very tired. And I have no idea if I actually have switched, close it, number 6. I will definitely need to test this, but I am getting pretty tired, so I need to just wrap up for now. So yeah, let's head back over to just chatting. Gonna commit this. I really need to like write unit tests for this, but I am working pretty far down the list, so like, yeah, after this I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17. There are less than 17. Yeah. Boo Haunted House. Hello, Sella. Did I do it right? There are 17 commands left for me to implement in GB Studio. Hope y'all enjoyed me switching over to that after just not really feeling Infinifactory. Let me see who to write. Wait, it's November now. Rip. Yeah, good to hang out with you, Sella. Yeah, good to see you, Sella. Nice having you here. Right, so... Ooh. I'm gonna go raid Katon, I think. Yeah, so, let's just do a soft robo raid. Feels good tonight, yeah. I'm for short for Bops. I'll do them for you anyway. And then raid a ton. Good stream is always on. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you all so very much for watching, hanging out, joining in. Thank you one more time to Kenny for the 20 fucking 5 gift subs. Still reeling from that. This will be my last stream of the week, but you better tune in next week because it is now 7 days until my 1-year anniversary of being a VTuber, and hopefully I will have some pretty exciting things to show y'all. But yeah, when you get over to Katon's, please don't forget to, just double checking pronouns. Yeah, don't forget to drop her a follow. She's very cool, and yeah, have a good night, Chevy Cutie. Oh, thank you. But yeah, with that, let's head on over. I'm gonna start this raid in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you soon!